Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my face care routine, what I do on my face in a week. I don't really do much on my face, but I'll be showing you guys the little I do on my face. I've taken my shower and I was about proceeding with my face care routine, and I was like, why not come and share your face care routine with your lovely family over here? So that's why I'm here, guys. Let's do this together, okay? So please, if today is your first time of coming across my videos, you're highly welcome. Please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and join the family, okay? And thank you as you do that. So guys, without much talk, let's get right into the video. Let me show you guys my face care routine, the little things I do on my face to keep on glowing, to keep on maintaining youthful glow, to keep on looking young. That's what I'll be sharing with you guys today. Like I said earlier, I don't really do much on my face, but the little I do, I'll be sharing it with you guys in this video. So let's get right into it. So guys, the first thing I do is to prepare my face scrub, which I'll be using to exfoliate my face. I don't scrub my face always. I only scrub my face once in a week. Yes, I scrub once in a week. So it's not a must you will use the face scrub I'll prepare. It's not a must you will use DIY face scrub, okay? If you have already made one, you can as well use that, okay? But this is the DIY face scrub I like to use, okay guys? So let's go ahead and prepare it, then we'll proceed. And the first thing I'll be needing for making the scrub is carrot. I'll be needing carrots, so I'll go ahead and get a grater. This carrot is already washed. It's already washed. Now I will use the grater to grate it. Like I said, it's not a must you will use this DIY face scrub, but I like to prepare my own face scrub. I don't always use the already made one, but if you have that one, it's also good to be used. You can use the already made one if you have it, okay? I like using carrot because vitamin C in carrot helps to keep your face young, helps to keep your face young and rejuvenate your skin. Yes, that's why I like to use carrot as my face exfoliator. So after grating it, this is what I have. This is what I have. So the next thing I'll be adding to it is I'll go ahead and add some amount of honey. Honey helps to keep the skin moisturized. Yes, and it also helps to fade away dark spots. So I'll go ahead and add some amount of honey into it. After adding honey, the next thing is lemon. This is my lemon. I used this one yesterday. So I'll go ahead and squeeze some amount of lemon into it. Lemon also helps to clear dark spots. It helps to brighten the skin. So that's why I added some amount of honey into it. I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of yogurt into it. Yogurt is very good to the skin. It helps to fight bacteria. It helps to, because it contains a probiotics, it helps to keep the skin soft and smooth. So that's why I added 1 tablespoon of yogurt. And this is Greek yogurt, okay? Just use a plain yogurt. Plain yogurt is the best for this, okay? Don't use a yogurt that contains sugar, all right? So after that, the next thing I'll be adding is sugar. Sugar is a very good natural exfoliator. When it comes to exfoliating your skin, sugar is very good. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. So I'll go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of sugar. So I'll go ahead and mix it. If you have a dry face, add coconut oil to it, okay? That's if you have a dry face. I have an oily face, that's why I did not add coconut oil. If you have a dry face, you can go ahead and add coconut oil or almond oil, whichever oil that is good to your skin. Go ahead and add it to to the scrub. Okay, so now I'm done preparing my scrub. So the next thing, like I told you guys, I've taken my shower. Okay, I've taken my shower. If you have to do this after shower, okay, after taking your bath, that's when you do this. Now I'll go ahead and take some cotton wool. Then I will dip the cotton wool into the treatment. Now I'll go ahead and use it to scrub my face. I scrub once in a week. I don't scrub all the time. I scrub once in a week. So the scrubbing is good. It's good that you scrub your face at least twice a week or once a week, depending. I prefer to scrub once a week. So the scrubbing helps to open up all the clogged pores. You know, get your face ready to absorb any incoming treatment. So I'll go ahead and scrub. I won't even finish it. The remaining one, I will leave it in the fridge and use it in the next I will use it the next day, not tomorrow, the next day, because I don't like scrubbing my face all the time. So the one that will remain, I will reserve it in the fridge, then use it next tomorrow, if that makes sense. After next tomorrow, I will discard anything that is remaining. Okay, so now I'm done scrubbing. The next thing I will do is that I'll go ahead and wash my face with lukewarm water. Then I will be back. Okay, guys? So guys, I'm done washing my face. I'm done washing my face with lukewarm water. I'll pat dry it now. So after drying my face, the next thing I will do is that I'll go ahead with this rose water cleanse and glow face cleanser. Rose water cleanse and glow face cleanser. I'll use this to clean my face. So like I said, the scrub I used earlier is just to help get rid of dead skin cells and open up all the clogged pores on my face. Okay, that's why I like to scrub before I do the main thing. So now I will use the cotton wool to take some amount of it. This is very good. This product is very good. I like using this face cleanser. It doesn't keep my face dry, you know, and it helps to eliminate dark spots also. So I'll use it to clean my face. I'll use it to clean my face. At this point, whatever I do to my face, I also do it to my neck. So after cleaning, did you see that? I'll take another wool and I'll clean one more time. And after that, I am done. So the next thing I will do, this is the second step. This is the second thing I've done. So the third one is vitamin C serum. I don't joke with this. This helps to keep you young, get rid of wrinkles, smoothen your face, you know, rejuvenate your face. Vitamin C serum or vitamin C oil is very good in your skincare routine. You as a lady, you need to have one, okay? So it's an anti-aging serum. It helps to keep you younger, you know, eliminate the signs of early aging. This helps to do that. So after cleaning my face, I'll go ahead and apply some. If you like, you can put this in your face cream. So I'll go ahead and apply it on my face. Whatever I do to my face, I like to also do to my neck. So after that, the next thing I will do is I'll go ahead and take my face cream. This is the face cream I use, Cetaphil Brightening Protection Cream. That's the one I use. Okay, like I said, if you don't want to if you want, you can add the serum into it, but I prefer to apply the serum on its own. Wait a little bit for it to dry up before I apply this. Okay, so one thing you guys really have to know is that because I've scrubbed my face, whatever I apply on my face right now will absorb, will penetrate like magic. So that's why I like to exfoliate before I put any treatment on my face. Okay, and like I said, I scrub once in a week. Okay, once or twice in a week. So now that the vitamin C serum has dried up, I'll go ahead and apply this face cream. This Cetaphil face cream is very good. It keeps my face so smooth, moisturized, and spot free. Helps to fade wrinkles and dark spots. It's a very nice cream. So I'll go ahead and massage it. So after rubbing the face cream, I'm done. Now I'm good to go. I'm good for the week. I am good for the week. So guys, that is it. These are the things I apply on my face. These are my face care routine, what I use on my face. Okay, these are the main things that I use on my face. These are my face care when I talk about face care product, what helps to keep my face good looking and spot free and all that, these are the main things. Okay, so guys, that is it. Like I said earlier, if you don't want to use the DIY face scrub we prepared, you can go ahead and use an already made face scrub. Okay guys, so that is it guys. Now I am good to go. I will just go ahead and go to bed, then I'm ready for the week. So guys, that is it for today. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you all in my next one. Okay, bye. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Okay, and thank you as you do that, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.